Right. Hi, changebringer. Yes, you are a changebringer. Did you know if you change something in you, something will change in your world, in the universe? That's how powerful we are. You don't have to believe me, just test it out. Let's make some changes today. Today it's about bad mood, being in a bad mood. You can wake up in the morning, have a bad mood, or something happens and it switches your mood. You can be happy and then something happens, something says something, boom, and your mood is switching. So let me first tell you how it works energetically and then what you can do. Yeah, the solution. There's always a solution. So let me give you the solution at the end, and you will see it has a huge impact in your life. And you don't have to project your bad mood onto others or, redraw yourself from the world if you're in a bad mood. And when you're in a bad mood, why is everything going wrong? Why is everything going wrong? You hit your head against the cupboard. You drop something and it falls into pieces. You want to have something to eat, it burns. You go to the supermarket and that what you like is out of stock. Whatever, yeah, whatever. It all goes well, in a destructive way. And I tell you why. Well, I have to switch off here my ping ping because it makes a lot of noise. All right. Okay, let's start. Let me first share my whiteboards. I already drew a little man. Just a second. Here he is. Can you see him? Yeah. So he's grumpy, 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 yeah? A grumpy little man. Okay. Now, let me show how your aura field looks like when you're in a bad mood. Your energy field determines how you feel. Put that in your head, yeah? So first the energy and then the reaction of the physical plane. Not the physical plane and then the energetic plane. And that's, if you understand that, then you can change everything in your life, everything. So somebody in a bad mood has an aura field that is mostly, well, it's not perfect aura field, but it's mostly like that, yeah? So it hangs a lot to the left part of the body, yeah, to the left. What is in the left? Functional, yeah, functional. The left part of the brain has no direct contact with the emotions, and not a direct contact with the heart. Yeah, the impulse of the heart, the feeling. That is all the right part of the brain. Yeah, the right part is of the brain. That's where all the impulses, I can say, of the soul comes in. Yeah, and the left part is making stories and puts it into words and so on and so on. Okay, yeah. If you want to know about that information, there's plenty of books, plenty of courses about all of that information. It's basic information about your energy field, yeah, and the function of the body. So this is how it looks like. Well, this little blob should go, but it should be, it's a bubble in the direction of an egg, but it's not straight and it's not a beautiful egg anymore. And so your energy, you lose your earth energy here. You still have connection with the cosmic energy, but things go wrong because you lose the earth energy, and the energy is a lot to the left part of your body. Yeah, so you get a little bit of earth energy in here, and also a little bit into your first chakra, but not a lot. Yeah, so that's why everything is so difficult that day. And then, of course, you have functional thoughts, not loving thoughts, not caring thoughts, not abundant thoughts, but functional thoughts like, I have to do this, I have to do that. I still have, what's the left part? It's all about have to. I have to. Yeah. I have to eat. I have to sleep. I have to take a shower. It's nothing about I wish, I like, nothing about that. Yeah. So you stay in the bad mood. If you are in this situation, you stay in the bad mood. And then the outside world has to do a lot to get you back into your happy mood. Or you just retract yourself and go to sleep. And hopefully then the next day your aura field is restored in the right place. And what does that mean, restored in the right place? And if you know this, you can change that. So let me take some things away here. So let me make him happy. Let me make the person happy. Yeah. So what's a happy person? A happy person is that the aura field is a beautiful egg around the body. Yeah. The earth energy comes in. There's a big connection here with the earth. So the earth energy comes in here. Yeah. And then the connection with the cosmic energy, it can be a little bit bigger, yeah. And then everything flows and the left and the right part of your body gets enough energy. The flowing of the chakras is natural, is in a good flow, and then you feel happy. Yeah, then you feel happy. So how do you get from the grumpy to the happy? Let me stop the whiteboard and then I'll explain it to you how you can do that in a very easy way. In a very, very easy way. Okay. If you're grumpy and if nothing works, yeah, communication with your spouse, blah, 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 everybody goes out of your way because they feel the vibes is low, the vibe is very low. Then what you do is very simple. In a minimum of 5 minutes, it will switch over. The only thing you have to do is do it. So what do? Stand on one leg. It doesn't matter if you switch over to another leg, if you stand on this leg, that leg, doesn't matter. Right, left. Don't hold your hands, just stand on your right leg. You will see in the beginning, it will be hard because you fall over to the left, yeah, to the left. It's always because your aura field is here, yeah, so your body is pulled over to the left. All right. And then after standing there, take a deep breath, feel, try to keep your balance, Your aura field automatically looks for his balance, for her balance. I don't know if it's her or she, it's energy, yeah? And automatically comes around your body. Why? I'll go to the right whiteboard again. Why? Because, where's the guy? Okay, because, I'll take another color, because you look for the center of your body. You look for the center of your body if you look for your balance. Yeah, do you understand that? So automatically when you're on one leg and you don't hold your hands, you don't hold your hands, so you have to keep your balance, and you can switch over from one foot to the other, doesn't matter, but not too much, yeah. And then you have to find your balance, and the balance is the middle of the body. There's a symmetry. I mean, just look at me, it's symmetrical. If you cut my body in two, it's symmetrical. Why is it symmetrical? Because there is a middle. And then the aura field, it takes time, around 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes, a little bit less than 5 minutes. Give the aura field a little bit time to adjust and get in also in the middle. And then you will see your energy starts flowing, your mood starts lighter, lifting up everything. Your energy starts flowing again. There's enough energy flow through your body from heaven and earth. Ta-da! And your bad mood is gone. And you don't have to project unpleasant emotions. And also, you hurt your body very badly if you're in a bad mood and you stay in a bad mood. Why do you hurt your body very badly? Because if you're in a bad mood, what thoughts do you have? Pleasant or unpleasant? A lot of unpleasant, grumpy, poor me, or bad world, or whatever. Yeah, judging yourself, judging the outside world, going to victim, whatever you do. But it's not love. Yeah, in any way, it's not love. So then what happens is that you make a lot of unpleasant emotions. And we saw in the previous videos that unpleasant emotions are these dark blobs in your beautiful colored energy field, and it slows down the energy. So if you think about unpleasant emotions, about powerless, yeah, I cannot do this, it doesn't work out, then it's all about the stomach. If you talk about, for example, people don't love me, it's always the same, I always have to give everything and then nothing comes back to me, blah blah blah, you're in too short, you're in too short of love, you're in disconnection, I feel lonely, people don't understand me, throat chakra, and these dark blobs become bigger. And that is a very bad, damaging situation for your body, because your body needs the energy to stay optimal, to stay happy, clean, flowing, streaming, healthy. Yeah, the toxic stuff needs to get out, and if there's not enough energy for the organ to clean out the toxic stuff, it will stay stuck in the organs, and then there will be a bad an situation there that where bacteria has to clean it out, and then it's get infected and so on and so on. Yeah, you don't want that. So if you are in a bad mood, it's you who decides to get out or not. I mean, standing on one leg, it doesn't hurt. Does it hurt? No, it doesn't hurt. Does it take you a lot of effort? No. Does it take you a lot of time? No. So what excuse do you have to stay in your bad mood? And if you know people who have a grumpy, a tendency to grumpiness, show them this video, because the more happier people we have in this world, oh my God, the better. Yeah. And it's so fun to wake up and to enjoy life, enjoy that you're here, the beautiful world, the planet that we live on. It's just amazing. And all the things we don't even know, and the things we can learn and experience and share. It's so much fun. And if you're in this grumpy mood, then everything is, it's like you put a dark glasses on and everything is dark and everything is, food doesn't taste, communication is not fun, leave me alone, you're not in the mood to do any creative things. And that's a waste of your day. It's a waste of your time. It's a waste of your life. Yeah, can you imagine how many people do you know that are not here anymore on this beautiful planet? They would give everything to come back and enjoy that day that you just threw away. You just threw it away. And now you know that you can change that. Now you know this information. If you use this information, you can get out of your grumpiness, and it just takes you 5 minutes. I tested it many, many times, and it's amazing. You just have to become aware of what's happening. And I just showed you what happens. Yeah, so you can't say you're not aware. So when you stand on one leg, then you aura field, and give it some time, because the energy has to feel, find the balance. And it takes, 4 or 5 minutes, around that time. And just take a deep breath, feel, and become aware of the situation that you're in, and take over. That's what we are. We are masters. We just need to take over. Take that decision. Like, I don't want to be like this, because if you're grumpy, you don't like yourself anyway. Your love is not streaming to your body, through your to other people, to your spouse, to your pets. No, it doesn't matter. You feel, leave me alone. Blah, 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 blah. You hurt other people. You hurt animals. You hurt only by, you don't even have to speak. Your vibe is very low, so you pull people down. You pull the energy down of your environment. Whoever is in your environment, even plants and animals, everybody can sense it. Every living creature sense it, that your frequency is low, and or they will try to lift you up, or they run away from you. So you don't want that. You don't want to be a parasite, because that's what you are. If you're low frequency, you're a parasite. You pull every living creature energy around you down, and if they try to lift you up, they have to put a lot of energy into you to pull your frequency up again. So you're a parasite, and you don't want to be a parasite. I call it vampires. Yeah. Okay. So here you are. With this information, you can change your life every day. Take it in your two hands, make that decision. Now you have the choice. Now you know what's going on, and you can change it. I did it, you can do it. And I know a lot of people that already did this, and they were amazed what impact it has on your daily life, on your environment, people who you live with, animals, even the plants. They blossom more if you're not grumpy. And that is not strange, because you don't pull energy anymore from others. You don't have a low frequency. And if you have it, you don't stay in there for a long time, because now you know. Now you know you can change it. So change it. And that's why you are a change bringer. So I see you in the next video. And have a lovely day. Make it a lovely day, because you can.